Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App your account is closed. For example, your account was terminated for no reason or for any reason. And in this video, I'll show you the solution, how to appeal it, guys. First of all, guys, you need to open Cash App and create temporary account, guys. So we need this temporary account to contact the support. So once you will create it, then you need to click your profile icon on the top right, scroll all the way down, and on the bottom you'll see support. You need to click it. In the search, you need to enter account closed. And you need to scroll a little bit down, and right here you will see accessing your account. If you can no longer access your account, you need to click this. You need to scroll down and click chat. And here is direct way to contact Cash App support. You need to write that your account, you need to write that your previous account was closed. You need to enter your cash tag. You need to explain the situation. You need to explain the issue, what happened, guys. Also, you can ask them if it's possible to recover your old account, so they will give you the answer. So there's a good chance that they will recover your account, or also there's a high chance that you will get the reason why the old account was closed, guys. So you need to contact them through this chat. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.